Today I'm making taco salad. It's simple, quick, and easy when your family is saying they're starving like my granddaughter is right now. So we are making a simple taco salad. I've got my hamburger cooking down. And this is about
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds. And I try to buy the leanest. I usually get my meat at Sam's. I'm not promoting Sam's or anything. It's just I like how they package their hamburger. And like I say, it's the
88.12.
12 is what I like using.
If you get it from Sam's, that's what we like. We like the 93.7, but it's just hard to find. And plus, everybody likes their 93.7 now at this time.
Anyway, I'm going to brown this, and after I get it browned, I'll drain it, and we'll come back at you and show you what we do to it. Okay, my taco salad, I just use regular chips like you use in salsa, and of course my taco seasoning. We're using this Fiesta blend. I've got my lettuce, tomatoes, and onion, and I'm just going to cut them up in there. You can use whatever toppings you want, like some people like black olives on it. And sometimes I even put corn. My daughter likes it with corn mixed in it. But tonight we're not doing the corn. We're just seasoning it with I like Taco Bell. But use whatever you prefer. But we've got the tomatoes, onion, and lettuce. And you can use the chives and chop them up.
Yep.
But I like the white onion myself. Okay, my hamburger is ready. It's all good and done.
Can't beat a good pair of scissors in the kitchen, can you?
Then I've got my water, and I don't measure my water.
I mean, it's in the measuring cup, but she don't
Well, that's 2 cups there,
Yeah.
but I just,
go into
however moist you like your meat. And sometimes I do refried beans, but tonight we're not doing the refried beans. I was looking to see if Randy wanted refried beans.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
My youngest son, when I make this, he likes the refried beans with it.
I just like it as simple as it has to be for her, because sometimes she comes home and feels like she's got to cook a 7-course meal. That's what's good about these videos that we're making. You know, they're.
I'm going to add them. So this is about 2 cups of water that I am putting in there. And I'm going to cut it down. We'll throw that in the trash.
will.
Then let me go on and get my seasoning out. This is my garlic.
Let's see. Can anybody guess what that is?
This is my onion powder. And like I say, making a taco salad, personally, I like my meat a little saucy.
So,
Just so it will absorb into those chips and the chips won't be so hard.
Now, if you was adding corn to it, when would you add that to?
I would add it now. I would drain
Okay.
the corn and put the corn in here.
Okay.
You don't want to put the juices. And I'm going to cut that down on simmer. Put my lid on it. Then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to cut my lettuce up first. This is how I store my head of lettuce.
And why do you store it that way?
To keep it from browning, to make it last, so it will be crispy and not mushy, soft.
I do know that the napkin, you can feel the moisture where it's kept it off that lettuce.
And sometimes, like when I'm making sandwiches, I'll change out if my, like this, I would probably change this out, the next use, just because it's getting damp feeling. But you hear how crisp this is? And this lettuce, I've had it in there for over a week.
It does help keep it fresh.
Mm-hmm. And you just wrap it up real tight with your paper towel.
And then just put it in a gallon Ziploc bag.
That's the end of the lettuce. I'm going to use that. Then I'm just going to stick my lettuce in here in this bowl. Because some of us likes lettuce with our taco salad and some of us don't. We've got our granddaughter over tonight staying with us. And I don't think she's a fan of lettuce.
I'm not sure she's a fan of many vegetables.
All right, we're going to do tomatoes next.
And these are the, what are they called, Rama tomatoes?
Mm-hmm. Yes. They don't have
as many seeds.
See how meaty it is? It's just a real good tomato to use.
It's a good tomato to use in like sauces and stuff too.
Mm-hmm. Gotta get the salsa out of the pantry too.
Yeah.
I forgot the salsa. We do use salsa and sour cream. I just gotta go in the pantry and get it out.
Tell you what, I'll see if I can't set you here. I'll go get salsa. You want to go ahead and get sour cream on?
Mm-hmm. If you want to.
You go with this.
I am put that in trash.
And she's just dicing it up.
Thank you. Okay, then we've got our onion.
Just a half.
And then and this onion, because me and you're the only ones that's going to be eating it.
And you can use yellow onions, white onions, purple onions.
I prefer white onions or the chives. I think the white onions have a better taste for the taco salad.
Yes, I agree.
Purple is more of a sweeter, milder. I don't think a purple onion has that much of a kick to it either.
Right.
And we've got requests of things that people would like to see. So if you've got something that you'd like to see us make or try to make, just let us know.
The email's in our profile. I can put it in the description if you want to just send a recipe to us. We'll be glad to use it. And guys, while she's doing this, take a minute to like and subscribe to our videos and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified.
Got that.
Hand that to me and I'll get it out of your
There
way.
you go.
Let us know if there's something that you like in your taco salad that maybe we haven't ever thought about.
Now, set that over there. So any cheese that's not used, I'll just put it back in there. And I put the cheese the oldest cheese on top, and they'll never know. That way you get it all used.
They'll know.
Because if they know that this is fresh versus the other, they'll use the other. Or the fresher one.
Alright.
And then salsa, you can use any kind. We just had this in the pantry. This is Walmart brand, black beans and corn. But I can't open it. Just keep that there.
And then we got the sour cream.
And then I'll put one together for you.
Alright.
I am going to show you how I make my taco salad. So you put your chips on there, and you take your hands and sort of smash them a little bit, like I do. And I put cheese on the bottom, because then I come over here and you see why I want it a little bit juicy? So that's the meat. Then let's get over here and do our toppings. There's our lettuce. Our tomato. This is the best part of it, is the onions.
Definitely not the same without it.
Nope. Then I take more cheese. And here's the salsa. And you can go in any order. This is just my quirky self. Put your salsa there. You want sour cream?
Yep. We're almost out, ain't we?
And there it is.
And it's ready for my first bite, ain't it?
Get you a fork.
All right. Boy.
Sometimes I'll even okay.
All right.
And there it is.
We're going to change up. There it is. It's still recording.
Okay.
All right, here's the first bite, guys. Oh, me. Look at all that cheese. Can you get it? Can you get all that cheese?
I can.
Mm. That is great. Yep. Got a big bite. Guys, that is simple, quick, easy. And we thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay delicious.